What's one essential for every voyager? A quality carry-on bag. Whether it's a brief journey or you prefer avoiding the hassle of checking luggage, a reliable carry-on is a must-have. Selecting the right one is subjective, based on your travel habits and preferences. Yet certain characteristics universally define a great piece of luggage. It's important to ensure that your chosen carry-on fits within your airline's overhead bin dimensions before purchasing. Seasoned travelers emphasize the importance of smooth rolling wheels for seamless travel. Modern suitcase models often feature convenient additions such as combination locks and USB charging ports. We've compiled a list of the top 6 travel bags, highlighting their key attributes and considerations to aid you in selecting the ideal one for your needs. Number 6. Opt for the Amazon Basics 21-inch hardshell spinner if you're looking for a wallet-friendly option. Crafted with an extra thick thermoplastic shell, this carry-on ensures the safety of your belongings and resists scratches effectively. Impressively, it withstood our bat hits and drop tests without any signs of damage. Maneuvering this spinner is effortless, even on carpeted surfaces and over bumps. We managed to pack all our essentials, from shoes to clothes to toiletries, with ease. Plus, there's an expander feature that boosts capacity by 15%, although we didn't need it for our test. Despite lacking smart features or a TSA lock, this affordable suitcase surpassed our expectations. While a few more color choices would be nice, we appreciate its minimalist design. Number 5, consider the Kenneth Reaction out-of-bounds Hardside spinner, equipped with a durable yet lightweight ABS shell. This 28-inch spinner optimizes your luggage weight allowance without breaking the bank. Featuring molded corner guards for enhanced impact resistance, it endured our rigorous drop and bat tests with only superficial scuffs. The interior, though compact in appearance, offers surprising roominess. We estimated it could accommodate a month's worth of clothing and more. Its well-organized layout, complete with a spacious zip pocket, compression straps, and a divider, simplifies packing. The lightweight trolley system, along with multi-directional wheels and a push-button handle, ensures smooth maneuverability, even in tight spaces. We found it glided effortlessly over various surfaces, except for rough gravel. Number 4. Opt for the Samsonite Omni PC hardshell expandable carry-on. We're enthusiastic supporters of the Omni PC. This featherweight carry-on tips the scales at just 6.1 pounds and slots neatly into overhead compartments. Its dual compartments, pockets, and cross straps simplify packing and organizing your belongings. Plus, there's an expander for additional space if needed. Samsonite claims the polycarbonate material will maintain its pristine appearance even after 100 trips. Our bat test confirmed its scratch-resistant and dent-defying durability. Despite being packed to the brim, this suitcase glides effortlessly and turns with ease. However, the small wheels occasionally get stuck in grooves, making it less maneuverable than most spinners. It's as if it's torn between 2 wheels or 4. Nonetheless, we believe its price is competitive and wouldn't hesitate to recommend it to heavy packers, frequent flyers, and those seeking worry-free durability. Number 3, consider the DELSEY Paris Helium Aero hardshell spinner luggage for extended trips or those inclined to overpack. The 29-inch DELSEY Paris Helium Aero spinner boasts a stylish appearance, with its metallic polycarbonate shell available in various vibrant colors. Its rigid exterior offers protection against rough handling, as demonstrated by its resilience in our tests, which left only minor scuffing. Most notably, this suitcase offers ample space, thanks to its expandable clamshell interior. Despite its minimalist interior structure, featuring 2 pockets, a zippered divider, and compression straps, packing cubes can help maximize organization, equipped with 4 double spinner wheels and a 2-stop telescoping handle. It maneuvers smoothly over concrete and carpet, though gravel presents a slight challenge. Additional features include a TSA-approved lock and a generous 10-year warranty. Number 2, opt for the Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Hardshell Spinner Carry-On. This piece of carry-on luggage from Travelpro truly embodies the brand's reputation. It can instill confidence even in inexperienced travelers. The sleek and chic hardshell exterior is robust and simple to maintain, crafted from flexible 100% polycarbonate to withstand impacts and prevent cracks. An external USB charging port eliminates the need to frantically search for outlets in the airport with a dead device, while the TSA-approved combination lock ensures the security of your belongings. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On features a well-thought-out layout, with 2 in-zippered clamshell sections and multiple accessory pockets, including a convenient water-resistant pocket for storing toiletries or damp items. I was pleasantly surprised by how much I appreciated this bag. Everything fit neatly inside, and despite the price, I believe it's a worthwhile investment. This hard-sided luggage is equipped with a zippered expansion that increases its depth by 2 inches. The comfortable contour grip handle effortlessly guides the bag on both 2 or 4 precision glide spinning wheels. While we appreciate the USB charging option, we wish that their necessary power bank was included in the reasonable purchase price. Nevertheless, even if you don't utilize the charging capabilities, we believe this carry-on luggage is an excellent investment. Number 1. Consider the Samsonite Freeform Hardshell Expandable Spinner. After evaluating numerous suitcases, the Freeform Spinner emerged as the top choice, earning top ratings across all testing categories. This hardshell carry-on is lightweight and compact, yet capacious enough to accommodate all your essentials for a 4-day excursion. It offers expansion capabilities for added flexibility, although we found it unnecessary during our packing test. While the main compartment features multiple pockets and a separator for soiled shoes, we would have appreciated the inclusion of a detachable laundry bag. We're particularly fond of its sleek and contemporary design, available in an array of 12 colors ranging from sage to lilac to classic neutrals. Following a thorough evaluation that included batting the Freeform spinner, we observed that its polycarbonate, high-strength thermoplastic exterior remained unscathed by scuffs, scratches, or dents. It's resilient enough to withstand spills or accidental drags through puddles. Maneuvering this suitcase is effortless, whether on 2 or 4 wheels, and it glides smoothly on both hard floors and carpets. Considering its reasonable price point, durable construction, and seamless rolling capabilities, we highly recommend Samsonite's Freeform spinner to frequent travelers and anyone seeking a reliable carry-on option.